Microphone check, check. Good morning, everyone. How we doing? Excuse me. All right, so I made some audio changes this morning. I'm not talking to anyone, so no one's in the house at the moment, but I'm going to bring this up several times during the stream. I have no idea if this is going to be better or worse. Did some testing, did some rewatching of it. Sounded good for the most part, but you know. Ding, 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 ding. Big day today. We had, so far we've already had CPI came out. It came in lower than expected, which is good. The market's got a melt your face off rally. My computer though, man. Computer fans are kicking up a little bit. It's already hot, bro. I went to the bathroom last night at like 1 a.m. and I asked Google what the temperature was. She's like, it's 79 degrees. I'm like, at 1:30 in the morning? Come on, sister. That's too much. I was checking to see if it was cool enough to open my windows. I don't like opening my windows unless it's like 74, 79. I mean, holy hell. All right, let's see what we got going on. Stacy's bonds have got it going on. That's for sure. Fed rate decision today. I think we're going to get good news out of them. And if you want to know why, I think that is because of bonds. Bonds are up 1 point and 14 ticks to 119.05. So I'm expecting them to say they probably knew the inflation. Do they know that before it comes out? All right, got a little poll going on. Please let me know. All right, we got GME was getting pretty jiggy last night. Some news on GME. I'm getting excited. I want. Excuse me. I bet my coughs come in nice and strong now. All right, mute. We need to do a drink test. Do you hear the gulps? They're probably got a little bit there. I'm working on the noise gate, so there's a cutoff at a certain decibel. Technically, when the green's down here, I don't think it should come in. It gets the voice really good though. I'm gonna click the mouse. Yeah, see that mouse click isn't making it in. There's some other things the attack and the hold. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, guys. This shit's audio engineering's a bitch. All right. AMC up 6 cents. GME's now down 20. Well, I mean, it's above 30. It was below. It was down. It looks like it's starting to get a little bit of a catch right now. Coinbase, let me find the right button because that's what's up right there. Coinbase looking good. We got Tesla up $1.64. I see some hearts. Ricky must be in the house. You're not getting me this time, Ricky. Sucker. Oh, George of the Bungle. You're too funny, George. All right, how's my 86? I'm down like $5 on this Iron Condor. Iron Condors take a long time to pay off. You gotta really hold them bitches. We got the miners green. We got AMC a little bit green. The big news on GME. A couple of big news. Citron Research made like a backhanded comment to the GME shareholders. Like, we're no longer short because we respect the degen ape cult mentality. So we got that going on. The 75 million share offering has already been done. And they now have like a couple extra billion. Apparently they have like 5 billion in cash. Their market cap's 9 billion. Official private rumble. I'm using this account to enable my fans to get it. Share your thoughts. Should I hit this Steve K. Bannon guy up on WhatsApp, guys? Jason in the house. How you doing, brother? Rocket. I forget what this emoji means. Like the two hands. What does that mean again? Thank you, praise, some shit like that. I don't know. All right. Did I say with E-mini? NASDAQ's up 200. That ain't no joke. Same. The audio is the same. God damn. That's just not right. You read it as like, yay. I mean, it kind of means that, but it has an official. Good times and celebrate. Yeah, good times. We did it. All right. I don't know if we did it yet. Your voice is over compressed. Ugh. What does that mean? God damn it. What does over compressed mean, Jason? What do I need to do? Tell me. I'm so sick of dealing with this voice shit. No warmth. We need no warmth. What do I need to do? So it's worse? Is my audio worse than before? Fix that shit. Well, tell me what do I need to do? No warmth. You're too compressed and no warmth. What am I supposed to do with that? How do I add warmth and under compress? To compress. I don't even know. Recomp. See what this is doing. I'm not even sure what this one does. A microphone check. Maybe lower the treble. That's it. Just lower the treble. Let me turn this off and see what happens. How are we now? How are we now, mofo? Does that make a change? Lower the treble. No warmth. Let's see. Boom warmth. We can. A microphone check. Better. It's better. Microphone check. Microphone check. A microphone check. How are we doing now? How you like me now? I appreciate the feedback. A microphone check. A microphone. I think you just want me to say microphone check a million times. How are we on the warmth? How are we on the compression, Jason? A microphone check. I mean, should I just undo everything and go back to how we were like a day ago, or is this better than yesterday? We just need a few little baby steps to get us over the hump. A microphone check, check. I guess. What do you mean you guess? Better, I guess? Ricky, are you just fucking with me? Do I need to go back to, should I go back to yesterday? Are we fine here? Am I overthinking it? Compression. Compression just equalizes your voice. Go back? Seriously? Is it just you're not used to it? Because I think the main difference is if when I go like this, my voice stays loud, right? Is that what you mean by no compression or too much compression? Isn't it better that my voice is more stable like that? Is that what you're complaining about? I can also talk really low. I can talk really low and you can hear me. You know what I'm saying? I want to keep it like I had an old compression mic and it sounds like that. Sounds like what? Sounded fine, but now you're over analyzing. Let's keep it like this for a little bit. And let's just see if you just need to you probably just don't like it because you're not used to it, maybe. I want to get more feedback, but I keep the feedback going. You hear small pops. See, that's what I'm afraid of. You mean like when I move my mic and shit? Sounds like right under robot voice. Ugh. You hear pops. Hold on. God damn it. I hate this. Maybe you need a screen. Oh no. You mean a pop filter or whatever? No, it hearing background noise. Shit, I don't know. All right, let's go like this. How does this sound? Well, I mean now it's gonna sound normal. Or it should sound normal. The only difference now is I have this new low volume. Yes. Low volume. How about now? A microphone check, check. A microphone check, check. Oh, I'm so sick of this freaking sound shit, bro. Better? Are we good with this? We'll just go back to this. And I'm just gonna maybe I need a different mic. This mic's too much of it's a good mic, but it's a pain in the ass. I need a condenser mic, maybe. Microphone check. So are we good? Are we good? Jason? Where do we sit, Jason? Get an auto tuner? Why? I thought about that. So I can sing and sound good. Oh, should I turn this back on? All right, so listen to I am right now. Oh wait, it is on. How about with it off? How does it sound with this off? I'm not even sure what this bitch does. Oh, this is the compressor. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that on. I'm not sure. Maybe it's all right, whatever. Yeah, I don't know. Inline. auto tuner for YouTube. I was gonna mess around with a like a voice changer too. Just F around auto tuner for YouTube. Auto tune.
Gimme, gimme, gimme. Give me all that good. Shimmy,
Oh, that's a copyright strike. Thank you. 50% off everything. Auto tune. I think this shit was expensive. Own auto tune 11 forever. 229. Oh, I should try this for 14 days, right? And then pay for it if it's smaller. Try for free. How does this shit work? Auto tune. Let's see. Enter your email address. I'll have to free trial. All right. Let's see what we got going on. GME's down 50 cents. AMC's flat. Coinbase now at $12. Let's freaking go, mofos. Gosh darn it. I love making money. I love the smell of making money in the morning. Let's do some 2-day options. Coinbase. Let's get super degen. I ain't doing shit going into the Fed decision today because we could rip higher. Or we can lose it all back, I guess. Is it hot down there, Jason? It's probably pretty good. And Ricky, you're down there, same area, aren't you? All right, let's see. 280. I can get $1. F that. Coinbase can rip up 280 like nothing. What if we go out 37 days? And 300, get $9. I am tempted to F with covered calls here. 350, 350 overcast. Evenings cool down enough. Yeah, not here, brother. Not here, brother. Overcast for the last. You've been overcast? You out there getting that vitamin D? All right, GME. How is Roaring Kitty's position doing? He's got 9 days to go. The $20. Oh, he's doing really well right now. He paid 567, and the $20 calls are worth $11. So he's up 2x on that. Jason keeps seeming to think he's going to exercise his option. Post some dumb link in the YouTube about cashless exercise. That's the dumbest thing. I don't even know why anyone would ever do that. It's no different than just selling them, except you're paying an exercise fee. So you pay an exercise fee, you get the shares, and you sell them. How does that? Jason, don't miss. I don't know how that squeezes the stock price up. I don't know if I like. It's at 56. It's at the threshold, bro. I wonder if I should turn this low cut filter. I'm gonna leave it alone. All right, Tesla $2. I'm now down $4 on that trade. He gets the shares and spikes the price. He doesn't get the shares; he immediately sells them. He gets the shares and immediately sells. The shorts have to deliver the stock. That's not. The shorts only have to deliver the stock if there's a margin call. And that happens regardless of whether or not someone's buying. It's just if the price exceeds their margin call, like how much you have to have so much on margin to cover your short. And if that gets If that exceeds the limit, then you have to give them more money, or you have to cover. And cover means you just take your short off. What's my exit price? I don't give a shit about my this 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 trade is strictly a meme trade. I have to find the shares. Well, I mean, look, it's again, the problem is when they're doing naked shorts, the shares don't exist. They're doing it illegally. When you do a short, you're only allowed to short if the shares exist. The theory is they're shorting it without having the shares, right? But the market will cover their tracks and shit. They'll just have to pay. They just have to pay the margin call, bro. I mean, that's what happened last time. It took them out of business because they couldn't cover the margin. That's the worst that's going to happen. Some places will go out of business and the price might spike. I hope it does spike. I want it to go up. I want Roaring Kitty to be a billionaire. And then I want him to say he's YOLO and all into Cardano. A microphone. You wish. All right, let's see what's going on. A microphone. Let's see what's going on. Wait, did we talk about? Oh, the Nasdaq's now up 243. What else can he do? Wait till expiration. No, he can just sell them. If they're in the money, sell them, and you just sell them. It's the same thing. If you sell them or exercise and get the shares, it's the same profit because on expiration they're at parity. So if on expiration, if GME's $30, his calls are going to be worth $10. He paid $5, going to be worth 10. They're $20. They're $20 calls. GME's a $30 stock, so the calls are going to be at parity, $10. Right? So you just sell them and make 10 what is it, $1,000 per, is it 1,000 or 100? It's a hold on. So it'd be $10 it'd be $1,000. $1,000 profit per call at that point because it would be up $10 and it's for 100 shares per lot. So it'd be at that. So he would sell 120. It'd be like 12 million profit. You just sell them and take the profit, or you could exercise them. You pay an exercise cost, which is an additional fee, and then you get the shares in your account. You pay $20 for them, they're worth $30. You made $10 per share. Same thing, but you're paying more money, and you have to have the money to do that. And so that's $240 million because it's 120,000 calls times 100, it's 12 million times 20, his strike price, 240 million. He doesn't have that. So yeah, he could do an extra cashless, exercise it, get the shares, immediately sell them. So he's paying an extra fee to make $10 per share. It doesn't matter. You just sell them. I'm not sure how that works when you're at profit and the other person's at zero, but who's going to buy them? I mean, no one, but they're worth $10. Technically, I think behind the scenes, I'm not an expert here. I would need to talk to a market, but I think behind the scenes, that's kind of what just happens. People would, people that are max loss would pay, there's the money, it's a zero sum. So the people at max loss have already paid into it and this pays it off, or it's kind of the same as getting the shares and selling it. I don't know how they do all that shit in the background. Yeah, there's got to be a bite, but there's tips and tricks to how that shit works. I'm not sure, but if you're up $10, you just they just I think that's probably what happens is it just takes it forces a bit from the other end or something. I don't know, bro. Someone has to have the shares when he. I think that's what happens when you sell it, and it'll find someone to exercise the shares on. Is likely what happens because I've been, or I don't know, maybe not because I mean I've had exercises happen to me, put to me like shares put to me, but that's probably because someone exercised it. That's a good question. Let's get Tony the bat back. But so whoever okay, so when he bought it, someone sold it. So that person's in max loss. So that money's already in that account to cover it. It's already in an account to cover it. Yeah. 40 chess. Why? Take this chess 4D. What is Roaring Kitty doing? All these people just like spewing the same stuff over and over. Oh, this guy, blah. He's an amazing guy, great creator. But what is this 4D chess? I think people are reading in. Maybe he just has a horseshoe and a shamrock up his ass. He got lucky with Wall Street bets. Got a bunch of idiots to follow him, and again, I love the guy. I want him to make hundreds of millions of dollars. Take down the street. Take down those corrupt mofos. I'm all for it. I don't know that he's necessarily playing 4D chess. Nobody knows how he's going to handle the trade. I think he's just going to write it till expiration and then take the profit or the loss. Even if GME goes down to $20, he only loses the calls and then he's still. People are overanalyzing this whole exercise thing, bro. I don't think he has any intention of exercising. He's just holding it till the end. People keep negative things about, oh, he's such an idiot. He's lost so much money. Roaring Kitty's lost so much money. Bro, yeah, he's lost a lot of unrealized gains. There was a time where he was theoretically worth $1 billion during a time where he couldn't sell if he wanted to because the markets weren't open for him. But he paid what is it? He paid $21.27 for his GME. He got 5 million. He's up $45 million on this trade. He's up $45 million. Ooh, that's a problem right there, man. I wish I had problems like that. And then this trade right here, he paid 567, 120,000. GME just went green. Oh, actually, he's down money. Am I reading this? No, this is 2 day. So he's up about $1, a little less than $1. So he's only up probably about $1 million on that trade. This doesn't look right. Am I reading this wrong? GME $30. This should be higher than $6, isn't it? Oh, he has the 20. All right, yeah, that's what I'm reading wrong. So yeah, he's up like $4.50. He's up a decent chunk. These will be worth $10 if GME closes at $30 and 9. So he can wait till the end, and then whatever his profit is, it's going to be parity. If it's $40, he'll be up $15 or $1,500 times 120,000. Right? He doesn't need to exercise. I'm Let me look into my crystal ball, my polar ball. Roaring Kitty's going to hold it all. He's going to hold all the options until expiration and cash out for whatever they end up, whether it's zero, negative, or profit. That's all that's going to happen. And all you dum dums are going to speculate along the way. And then next Friday, you can just look back and say, "Yep, Tom told you." Josh P in the house. How you doing, brother? That's DGNAF. Not really. I mean, he should. I mean, buying calls is degen in general. He says that. He says he's a degen. You shouldn't do what he does. And he's got faith in the company. And he's turning out to be right so far. They don't do it all over again. Josh in the house. Morning, dude. Who needs GMA when Apple's on a tear? Apple. Oh, shit, man. They're too much hype to fail. For GME, I don't know. They got good fundamentals now, bro. They bring in they still bring in 3 billion a year or something like that. I don't know if they run at a loss or a gain. I think they still run at a gain, and they're talking about now they have five or 6 billion on hand. I think 5 billion cash on hand. They have a market cap of 9 billion, and they're going to use it for mergers and acquisitions. So it's going to be in play for a while. It could still fail, or they can make good mergers and acquisitions while they're still making money. Some want them to buy Bitcoin. I don't hate that idea. Be a Bitcoin holding company like MicroStrategy. Although I would be a Bitcoin, I would sell probably. I would buy Bitcoin and then sell. They need to buy Steam. I don't know. Steam public, private? They're evil. Why is Apple doing so good? What is this emoji right here? The thing I hate about emojis on here is you can't hover over them and they tell you what it is. What is that emoji, Ricky? On my audio, vote stupid as hell. Now. Of course, I put everything back. We're just going to end that poll. Buy BTC near at the money. Buy ATC near ATM. What are you talking? Are you talking about an ATM or at the money? Oh, train choo choo. Hell yeah. Bro. That's what the emoji is. All right, Tesla now at $3. And my iron condor. So I was only down $1. What's Bitcoin? That's the future. Let's check in on that. Chugga 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 chugga. Apple announced they're collaborating. Oh, all-time high. Upgrade their phones. I'll probably upgrade mine just to get all that AI goodness. I mean, my shit's 4 years old. Projected to go to 250. Are you in Apple? I don't give a shit about Apple, bro. I'm making dollar bills, y'all, on Coinbase. Coinbase print. I'm shitting 50 right now with Coinbase. Soon to be shitting 100. We'll be waking up in the morning shitting $100 bills. All right, Bitcoin 69,380. We got a nice little spike off CPI this morning. It has kind of chilled. We kind of got back to this whole support resistance level right around 69,000. The 69.3 is like where it was hangs out a lot right. I'm not sure what's so special about this level because it's a little bit higher than the previous cycle's all-time high. It really likes this, and we're at resistance. We haven't broken through yet. IONET, is that Ethereum or Solana? Instant Solana. How's this doing? Moink. Pepe on ETH. Ooh, how's Pepe? Ondo's up big. I'm pretty sad about that. I just keep missing the Ondo train. $1.35. Look at that. Should have bought Adam yesterday. I mean, I checked it this morning. It was cheap as shit. Was it a lot cheaper? Yeah, under $8. It wasn't that much for yesterday. You liked it yesterday. I don't know what's so that much different about it today. Dax is Dax is back, baby. Dog with hat. I just want Solana, bro. Moink. Jupiter. IO. Friend that they've actually 486 million market cap. This is interesting. This might be a play. I mean, I'm not jumping into it, but this is interesting. Thanks for putting this on the radar. I don't think I can do this here. Oh, look. 30 listed on KuCoin. We'll put this in the AI and tech, I guess. Put it right next to like Render Pith. How's Pith doing? Remember when all the YouTubers were talking about this one, getting you all excited? Yeah, how'd that work out? Not so effing good, did it? You receive BTC when staking stacks or the stacks token. The answer is not yes. Well, it is yes. It depends. They have different pools. Some deliver it in stacks, some deliver it in Satoshi. It just depends on which one you choose. It's not a great return, to be honest, though. I took all mine off. There's like an unbonding period. You get no, bro. It depends. Some of them you get sat. Some of them you get stacked. Don't listen to Jason. He's a dum dum. Yeah, because you're in a pool that gives stat, bitch. Mm, oh, here we go. I think this is it. So these are like the different places you can do it. There used to be a rewards for stacking are paid out in BTC, not stacks on that one. There's at least one or two that does stacks. Because I was in one that I think it was fast pool. Oh, I got a poop coming. I don't know, bros. This poop's coming fast. No need to enter. So this one paid. I was in this one for a while because I wanted to get paid in stack. This one pays in. Why do I RFK? Now is the audio worse? What are you talking about? RFK. Tom trying to Tom trying to talking, sounding like RFK. What does that mean, dude? I'm just gonna stop streaming all the. Is my audio cutting out? Is that the problem? I'm just going to stop the stream until you tell me. I'm getting ready to hit the end stream button. Just busting balls. Jason's the one that said it, though. Donna? What does that mean? You just mad because I proved you wrong? What do you think East all-time high? I don't fucking know. Who the hell knows, bro? I don't stop crying. All right, Jason's getting banned. Jason's getting removed as mod. You're lucky I can't work right here. I can do it up here. Remove as managing moderator. Look at that. No wrench for you, bitch. How do you like that? No wrench? Put him in timeout. Man, I'm just going to make you a standard moderator. Oh, shit. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, Ricky did that. Ricky, you're such a dick. Ricky did that. You see messages that when you put him in a timeout. Oh, you're such a dick. It deletes all his messages. You should be a managing moderator, though. Bro, it says right there, messages deleted by Ricky. I don't think there's any way to bring those messages back either. Oh, he's in timeout. He can't even talk, dude. I don't think there's a way to take him out of timeout. You're such a dick. Sorry, Jason. You brought it on yourself, though. Let's comment. Oh, you can't even see it. Stop crying. Your own fault, bitch. You sit there in your nice little. You got about 9 minutes. Oh, he's back. Pull up. Oh my goodness, dude. Why are you regurgitating old news? Always bringing up old news. Old news. Look at Maddie. Holy shit, bro. 64 cents. That's worse than Cardano. Oh wait. Why does that show? Oh, that looked like a B. ICP down. That was down pretty big. It got hamskied trying to make a comeback. Men swap. Ugh. That's a long way away from your $8 prediction. Yeah, what were your predictions on ETH again, Jason? Polygon getting $1 billion. What were your ETH predictions? I'm sorry, they got deleted. I mean, we can review. Tom frame you. Bitch, you did them right there. Josh wanted ETH predictions. I don't fucking know, dude. It's impossible to predict. 10K for ETH is what I'm hoping for. What do I think it's? I have no idea. Somewhere between 3,600 and 25K. What do you predict the total market cap? Right? George says 25 trillion. If the total crypto market cap goes to 25 trillion, ETH going to 20K. I'm less worried. I just, the higher the better, right? For me, I don't know what anything's going to. I don't know how. I mean, Bitcoin 120, 150 seems reasonable. And then you start hearing unreasonable numbers, but maybe they're reasonable. Maybe this is the bull run where adoption kicks in and shit just gets insane. I don't know. How many trillions are going to come in? People act like it's easy for 10 to 20. I mean, 25 trillion. George is smoking crack, bro. But is it reasonable for five? Last time was 3 trillion. Is it reasonable for it to go to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12? Is 12 trillion reasonable? Seems kind of extreme to me, right? But I don't know. There's a lot of money out there, but trillions is, I have no idea. 12 trillion? You're probably going to get at least a 15K each. Your prediction is 12 trillion? Yeah. I have no idea. I just pull, all anyone is doing is pulling numbers out of the hat. I don't know that anyone has a real good idea. Like you just don't have enough data. You just look at things like, oh, this is how much it went up last time. And if it goes up this percent, but then there's diminishing returns and blah, blah, blah. And this is what gold did. And this is what that did. And there's too many factors. I have no idea how many trillions are going to, I hope it's a shitload. I'm ready to get paid. My prediction is I want to get paid. I want the higher, the better. I'm more looking at the time frames and how quickly it happens and how high it goes. And I'm going to be looking to sell at certain levels. Yeah, we haven't seen a bull run. Taking of what? George is also saying 1K sold. I mean, that's not totally unreasonable, I don't think. 25 trillion is not reasonable. 1K sold is, I mean, you're talking a 400 billion market cap on Sol. If the crypto market cap gets to like 6 trillion, that's possible. But I don't know. I don't know if the market cap's going to get to 6 trillion. I have no freaking taking on ETH. Taking on, didn't they? No. They had staked ETH the entire time last time. But first of all, they had both. Staked ETH was always a thing. And then liquid staking ETH existed back then too, like Lido. Because I've been in Lido since like 2020. So Lido's liquid stake ETH. There's another one, but no, stake ETH has always been a thing. The only thing that changed is it went from proof of work to proof of stake, and then Ethereum. Well, okay, they had Ethereum. You had to lock. It happened during the last bull run. You had to lock your ETH into a validator until ETH2 until it changed, but it existed back then. You think they have ETH burn? Yeah, it's ETH goes up in supply and down in supply depending on how much is being used. I wonder what ETH gas fees are like right now. They had the testing, I thought, but they upgraded. Yeah, no, you're right, but people locked their ETH in the ETH2 long before. It was already locked. In fact, that was something people were worried about, that once their locked ETH became unlocked, it was going to cause the price to crash. Looks like it's pretty cheap. Couple bucks. No one's complaining about ETH gas fees lately. Oh, swap. It's about 33 bucks. Bridging's about 10 bucks. But what's just a send? They're making lots of money in fees, though, I'll tell you that. All right, what's in my title? Let me make sure. Roaring Kitty, Fed. Yeah, the Fed decision's coming like 3.5 hours. I can use a little bit of caffeine. Boom, boom, boom. BTC gonna? Oh, I don't know, bro. Probably not. Is it pumping right now? A microphone pump. Oh shit! I take that back. Everybody say, wait, we are gonna break 70K. Easy money, bro. How's Coin doing? Is Coin going with it? Oh yeah, Coin's up $14. Coin, you know what Coin and my penis have in common right now? They're both up. They're they're in sync. When Coin's down, my penis is down. When Coin's up, my penis is up. I don't need that Taladaffel or whatever. Taladaffel. Not bad. Not bad. Profit and loss since the open. Cricket. I wasn't really necessarily trying to be like Netflix special funny. I just told you when the CPI data is coming out, like literally a minute and a half ago, bro. Comes out at 11, I think. PST. 3.5 hours. Maybe 11:30. Uh, 1:11. Yeah, 11. Uh, 7:25. I'm running out of steam. I didn't think we were going to be able to cover everything. Oh, did I talk about Trump? 69.9. Trump apparently wants all the remaining Bitcoin to be mined in the US. I got to tell you, I like his turn and enthusiasm on Bitcoin and crypto. I've often said the United States needs to be more involved in mining Bitcoin. And if he truly said he wants all the remaining Bitcoin to be mined, Elizabeth Warren wants an entry. Yeah, I covered that yesterday, Jason. Old news. Just rename yourself to old news. I'm giving you a hard time. Please don't stop bringing it because sometimes it's new news. New news. Kathy Wood and ARK announced its updated Tesla price. Yeah, of course they just want vote. 2029 price estimate for Tesla 2,600, bear 2,000, bull 3,100. I will be buying the shit out of Tesla. Her bear market thesis is a 10x in the next 5 years. I will be selling Coinbase and be buying the shit out of Tesla in my retirement account. Well, I don't know. Elizabeth Warren saying she wants rate cuts is really like a vote attention grabber, but I mean, that's just common sense. Everyone wants rate cuts, bro. Is Trump Does Trump truly believe in Bitcoin and crypto now, or does he just want votes? I think in his case, it's a bit of both. Straight up destroyed this trade with size. I'm so tired of Shardy B acting like he's the world's greatest trader. I love this video. This dude's got the temp lock. I don't know. Is that copyright music? Breaking news. That's actually footage of Ricky right there. Ricky in his younger days when he was skinny. Now he's a big fat turkey ball. Warren Buffett sold Apple before it ran up. I'm sure Warren Buffett's going to be just fine. The most important thing on Warren Buffett's mind is just staying alive. You're jacked now. Have you been working out? You got rid of all your fat? You shredded now? Put up. I want a picture in the Discord of you with your driver's now. You can blur out your address and shit. Just show your name. I want to see a driver's license with your picture and you shredded. Bert sent me a picture of his abs. Send me a picture of your abs and prove that you're black. That's what I want. I mean, you've been saying you've been black so long that I believe you. No, I don't want the cock. I believe that you're black, but if you're not, oof, your ass is getting canceled, son. Tuck the yeah, no, I don't want to see anything below the waist. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it tucked, untucked, cut, uncut. Don't want to see it. Good idea. What? Oh, the logo. What a dick. Coin is a great example of why that Keon Trades clown cannot read flow using the shitty black box or cheddar flow or whatever other chunky flow program. They're constantly wrong because they cannot see L2 order books and just straight test fake NBBO. Whatever, bro. Layer 2 order books are a waste of time. You just buy. Yeah, he's a DJ and he's buying calls. Should I sell my Coinbase and YOLO calls? Sell Coinbase right now and just YOLO calls? Matthew Lake in the house. How you doing, brother? Are we over 70 grand yet? 69,860. You want me to do it? Is that what you're saying? Should I sell just like 100 shares and YOLO into some calls? What would be like a July 350? About 4 grand. I wouldn't even have to sell 100 shares. I could buy a shitload of calls, bro. Let's see, 100, 200. What's 100 times 285? Only 2,800, right? No, 28,000. That can't be right. This is some degen math we're doing right now. All right, so 100. Is this really 28,000? I think it is. No, it can't be. It's gonna be 19,000 is what it should come to. About 19,000. Yeah. What the just happened? What is this calculator, bro? How do I get rid of all that? I don't want memory. It's 28. 100 times 258. What does this? Oh, let's get off scientific. Give me 25,000, but oh, is this position worth 250? Yeah, it is. All right, because I was just looking at the profit. Holy shit! I have $250,000 in my IRA, and I just kind of dawned on me. All right, so 25,000 divided by 3850 be about 6. I can buy close to 7 calls. The IV on these calls, it's not that bad, 72%. But there's only a 9% chance of it being in the money. That's way too risky of a trade. Like leaps might be a cool thing to do. But fuck that, bro. That's $6,000. You could go to a 300. That's 5,000. I don't hate that trade. Oh, wait, 49. I'm looking at this right. Yeah, 3,000. No, 300. It would be $300. That's not that bad. Oh, I could buy a shitload of them. I could go down to like the 300. That'd be 1,000. 23% chance. But it has to be like over $310 for me to make profit. Put that whole retirement. No, I'm good, bro. I'm not trying to, like, I've made plenty of degen trades in my life trying to get rich overnight. I'm not trying to do that shit now. I'm not going to lie, guys. I don't know how much longer I can keep the stream going. That poo poo train is chugging. I'm good with my thesis of getting Coinbase to $1,000. Do you think Coinbase can go to 1,000, Jason, this year? You think Coinbase can go to $1,000, let's say in the next 12 months? I'm cool with selling all my Coinbase at like $1,000, have $1 million in cash, buying a bunch of Tesla, buying some other shit, and then still have another 3 to 4 years before I retire. And that's just my IRA. Hopefully my IRA is going to be my baby account. You think it's going to 800? I mean, even 500 is going to be hard for me to complain. If it's near the time when I think I need to be selling my crypto and Coinbase just chilling at 500, it's going to be hard to complain. You can be hissing pussy. I mean, GME, I could have YOLO'd it into GME and I'm still down on that trade. So I would be down on that, not sleeping at night. All right, guys, there's only one way this is going to work. Go get some coffee. Take a leak.
Shaking, breaking down every door. I think I've chewed it all up. I think I'm spitting it out. I think I'm giving up. There is a hole in the bottom of my soul that is growing and it's going to consume this whole world. Take it all down, swallow it whole. Fill it up. But everything never seems to be enough anymore. I just keep pumping and dumping something all over the floor. Turn it around.
microphone. A microphone check, check. Posted. We didn't. I was checking. I was checking. Why was I'm not gonna say what I was doing. I was checking. I was checking. We didn't crack 70K yet. 69.8. Actually, we were a little bit closer. Jason emoji has more pull than yours. Did you? Yeah. Yeah, I'm white. 0 likes today? I should immediately just stop this stream. Are you kidding me? You guys don't are dude, come on. Wow. That is just that thing, it must be broke. There's no way you guys are letting me down like that today. Yeah, I wipe my butt, wash my hands. I didn't count to 20. All right, we're starting to lose the 70K. I appreciate the 1 like. All right, I'll be testifying tomorrow at 10. No one cares. Oh, Ricky, apparently that whole black reparations things in California got voted on yesterday, and that another win for that. There might be some money their way. I, you know what? You not giving me a like today. You should be giving me. I'm okay with you even giving me a dislike. You're right, bro. I gave you a hard time today. You deserved it though. I mean, it was a little bit of give and take. So I think we're even. Who scores the first basket tonight? Yeah, I can't wait for football, dude. I cannot freaking wait for football. 300 bands. Oh, Cardi B's up 300,000. Oh, does he ever show when he's down? That's lame, bro. Call it. Callie is broke. Oh, yeah. I don't even know if I believe this California reparations thing. Is it just made up? Cali, rep. Or there's an actual task force. I mean, were there even slaves in California? I feel like this is something maybe the South should be doing. I don't know. I don't. Jason's Mexican. He went to Mexican reparations, right? I'm white. I can't do it. Running at a $68 billion deficit. We green again? We are green. What do you mean we are green again? And then boxing glove. Because the market's been green all morning. Why is my computer? Ugh. I don't think getting a new computer is going to help because aren't the new GPUs like basically nuclear furnaces? Oh, GME? Hell yeah. Up 14 cents. You're getting excited about that? Tesla's up $7. Holy shit. Ooh, my Tesla trade's positive now. I'm up $3. Should I take it off? How much is an RTX 4090 system? 10 grand? Holy shit. What does that thing do? 4,500, 3,300. I go Intel or AMD now? I think I'm gonna need someone to help me lift this up on my desk. Oh, this is a 16 core Ryzen. AI powered performance, 32 gig, 64 gigs. I buy something like this. I was ready to trade Tesla for GME. Oh, it's a good thing you didn't. That's a pretty sleek looking rig right there. I don't know that I'm willing to drop 5 grand on that. I think I'd rather get the 8 sleep bed first. All right, Bitcoin 69744. What's going on with Nvidia? 100. Ooh, shit. It's up. There's some gaps to fill on this bitch. I would sell a call spread over here if anything. Let's see if we can do something. Do I have any money? Not really. $80. My GME is about to go, trying to go green. My AMC is down $100. This is probably a tough trade. What's the volatility? Not bad. So here's what I would do. Let's see. Sell like a 130. Buy back a 135. Get 1/3 the width of strike. 71% chance. But I wouldn't do this going into the Fed because we might get more rip your face off rally. We already know what they're going to say. They're going to say things are looking good. Inflation's cooled off. If it continues like this, we're going to stay the same today. Bonds are up almost 2 points, and rate cuts are likely by the end of the year. You provided compute power to IONET with your laptop 3050 for 2 months and received like 30 week. Yeah. You see, wait, that's 300? 300 tokens. You're the one that needs to stop crying, bro. You provided compute power. Your NVIDIA has nothing to do with first compute, strictly CPU. Did you provide GPU or compute? At 3050, and you got $1,500, you got $1,800 for that GPU. So you provided your NVIDIA GPU and you got paid $900 a month on a shitty laptop and you're complaining? What the hell's wrong with you? Is my math wrong? 300 times 563. You got paid 1,689. You got paid 844.50 a month. Not bad. I would do that. I just leave that bitch running. Hell, you think he was going to become a millionaire overnight? Why do you follow crap like Cheddar? Some odd. I've never heard of this thing. Cheddar Flow? Yeah, I don't know. You're the one crying. I didn't care to provide. I don't got time for these airdrops, bro. I'm glad that you got $1,700, but you're crying about it. That's the problem. I'm not crying. You're the one crying, bitch. You're complaining that you made $1,700 for basically doing nothing, unless your electric bill went up more than that because of it. Why are they talking about John Butler but showing a picture of Carson Wentz? Well, why will Cardano go to $3 in 2024? Partnership with Argentina. I mean, that really hasn't. We don't even know what that means. Shang hard fork is a big deal. New D apps launching. Not 1.5 billion ADA will be unlocked for marketing and other investments. Yeah, the higher the price, the more that 1.5 billion's worth, obviously. Here's Bankless. I never heard of these guys until recently. Is this another podcast you like listening to, Jason? Is my GPU always just been like this and I'm just noticing it today? Is it because it's hotter out? Remember when I went through this shit last summer, guys? Then I replaced my AIO, guys and gals. I mean, it's 38. Doesn't seem bad. I'd rather just it be kind of like it's spinning up and spinning down is what makes me drives me nuts. There's so many young people spewing out shit about the market. It's crazy. Yeah, of course, dude. That drives me nuts. All these people on Twitter and YouTube and spewing out all these. It's just talking heads. You know, don't listen to hardly any of these people. About the only people you should be listening to out there right now. Let me think about it. That Jason guy I follow on Twitter is really good. He's annoying at times, but he's really good when it comes to like stock market. Cardi B is actually a really good person to follow on Twitter. He's annoying. George, you should not be listening to. George, you listen to for comedy. Like George is cool to listen to and get you pumped up, get you all excited. Don't take financial advice from that guy. That guy is a king of like ridiculous predictions. And then there's me, reasonable, calm, rational, level-headed. respectable. You ask me for price targets, and my answer is I don't freaking know. I give you an honest answer. I could pull something out of my ass, but it's just luck. I have no freaking idea how high Bitcoin's gonna go, how high the total crypto market cap, how high Cardano. I don't know, bro. I have no idea. Coinbase, I say $1,000, but I could be ridiculous. That's a 4x market cap. Is that reasonable? Probably. That's a reasonable projection. Is that reasonable? It might not be a reasonable market cap, but you got to understand that things get unreasonable in a crypto bull market. So it reaching a quarter trillion market cap, while not reasonable, is a reasonable thesis. That Wolf of Wall Street guy is good. Which one? The actual guy from Wolf of Wall Street or someone else? I don't know. On Twitter, he breaks down the entire market. Oh, you're talking about it's not Wolf of Wall Street, is it? I think I know who you're talking about. Yeah, he's really good. Yeah. I don't think it's Wolf of Wall Street. He's really good. I don't like his opinion. I think he's wrong sometimes and he's a little bit crazy, but yeah, he's really good. I haven't listened to him in a while. I don't listen to market shit anymore, bro. Who is that sexy mofo? Yeah, this guy's really good. Oh, Maverick of Wall Street. Yeah, this guy, not Wolf. This guy's top notch. He has like a paid YouTube though, if you want his real alpha. I don't think it's that expensive, but I caught the Dylan Radigan sauce this weekend. Radigan's take on GME was lame. Yeah. There are a couple old boomers, and I hate the word boomer, but I like Dylan a lot. But yeah. I haven't listened to that podcast in a while, to be honest. I don't listen to market shit. I mean, I listen to Tasty Trade in the morning, but I mean, usually that's just the news, right? Is about all I catch is the news, just see what's going on. It's what's best on in the morning. I'm up, something to watch. All right, 7:56 a.m. I got to get to work. I got a lot of shit I got to do today. Plus, I got to get some sunlight. Does not look like we're going to hit 70K during stream. He's being a simp for his hedge fund buddies. Yeah, I like his take too, but sometimes they just argue. That's not even necessarily their opinion. They just need to have. I don't know. I mean, yeah. I like Dylan Red. I love Tom Sosnoff. AMC just went red. GME's now up a buck. It's deep in the red. Roaring Kitty is probably beating off to the price action at GME right now. I mean, I would be. Where did he get a $250 million? Like, did he didn't make that much money last time, did he? Seriously, how did he get a $250 million? He's long $200 million worth of 5 million times 21. We'll just round that off to 100 million. A little over 100 million. 100, we'll say 110 million. And 120,000 times 5. Like 170. He paid 174 million for all this. Where did he get that? That's whatever. I mean, did he make that much last time? I guess it's possible. The balls you have to turn 30,000 into $200 million and then YOLO it again 3 years later. Oh my goodness! How did he needs that freaking wheelbarrow from South. How do you know he made 40 million? Because that's what the movie told you. Do we know? Did he post in Wall Street Bets how much he made, or did he turn that 40 million? I watched Dumb Money. That doesn't mean it's true. He said himself he never even watched the movie. 32? 32 what? Oh, it's at 32? Choo-choo. Maybe he continued to make money after the fact. But that's 174 million plus 29 million in cash. That's 200 million, bro. Over 200. Where did that come from? I would love to talk to that guy. I mean, even just off the record, just me and him. He's making moves on the, yeah, he has to be. Like, he's a trader, dude. I mean, he loves to trade. That was his life. So he's probably obviously still trading. How do you go from 30,000 to 30 million? Do you just like, oh, I don't want to trade anymore? Fuck no, bro. Greed kicks in. You want to continue to trade. But he needs to go on my podcast. He must have, did he turn 40 million into 200 million the last 3 years without public knowledge? If that's the case. That mofo is crushing it. Did he continue to do it with DGen plays and calls? That would rocket the stock. They talked about GME on Rogan. I don't know that him going on Rogan would necessarily rock the stock. A lot of people are calling his latest YouTube like cringy and weird and terrible. Dude, that's just, I mean, it's not really much different than what he did 3 years. It's just, like he's basically the same person. I thought it was pretty funny. A little, I was hoping for more out of it, but oh, I was listening for like, as I was falling asleep last night, Tom Crown was in a Twitter space. Like, oh, this Roaring Kitty YouTube video was terrible content. I'm a professional content creator, and that's just unacceptable. And I like Tom Crown, but come on, dude. You know what I'm saying? You just out there that if that ain't your flavor, that ain't your flavor. But are you a little bit jealous because that bitch is? He did defend him too, though. Saying the same thing that like, because a lot of people are like, oh, that guy lost so much money, and Tom's like, no, bro, he's up. He's got $250 million. He's a quarter billionaire. That's and he's up tens of millions of dollars on his trade. Roaring Kitty, yeah, Roaring Kitty. Roaring Kitty for president. Have you heard Rogan talk about investing? He doesn't. Yeah, I mean, he's probably got guys that do that shit for him. He just tells them to invest. Like he has a lot of real estate. He invests in nightclubs. He makes hundreds of millions off Spotify. Like, I mean, I'm not, you know what I'm saying? All right, Coinbase up 13. I got to get to work, guys. I got a lot of shit I got to do today. I got to get my sunlight in. He didn't say shit to incriminate himself. He just acted dumb. Yeah, perfect. I don't know about perfect, but it was close to perfect. All right, Bitcoin 68,889. I don't know. We're pushing that 70. Hopefully we break through that. If like the markets are going ape shit today after CPI, and I'm ready to pop onto some night streams, but I need some like champagne popping action happening, right? Us just being at 70K is not really we start breaking 75, 80K and shit's popping off at night. I'll definitely start hopping on some night streams. Anyway, again, it's Wednesday. Man, it feels like Friday. I've done so much this week already. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and come out of the cannon like an effing missile.